Hello, I'm Joanne Turner and we're here at the ETSI M2M workshop this week and I'm talking to Enrico Scarrone. Enrico, welcome. Can you give us a bit of an overview on ETSI's work in smart appliances?
Yes, the work that ETSI is doing on smart appliances is essentially a collaboration with the European Commission, where we are trying to support some initiative of the European Commission to assure the communication between what we call as smart appliances. And smart appliances is defined as everything in the house that generates or consumes energy, and assure that the different smart appliances which are pulled in the house or taken in the house are able to communicate with each other. How we do it? ETSI is a standardization body, so we support standards. The European Commission has defined a set of common, what we call a common ontologies, which need to be transferred into a specification, and ETSI has transferred this common ontology into a specification, and has also integrated that with a communication system. So on top of the ontology, which means how the things communicate with each other and what they are really saying with each other, we start to include also how they transport the communication, how they share this information. And the last thing is to integrate all this part with a testing part to assure that, first of all, to assure interoperability, but also to enable a potential certification of the object to assure that the customer that they are really compliant to this specification, they can talk with each other.
Okay, you mentioned the European Commission collaboration. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Yes, it dates some years ago when essentially they developed these first studies on these common ontologies, and they have to find a place where this study can become really a technical specification. And then, of course, the study was dealing only with the semantic and ontology part, and we have to be integrated with all the rest that I mentioned before, which means communication and testing, to provide a complete package that only a standardization body can provide.
Okay, and how is this work linking back to one M2M?
Oh, that's a very nice thing, in the sense that ETSI started a long time ago a work of developing on this communication framework for Internet of Things. And then we have globalized it, starting from ETSI in collaboration with other regional standardization bodies around the world, into a global partnership project, which is one M2M. So the solution that we have originally designed in ETSI and now is further developed and evolved in one M2M is the communication framework that in our spec in TC Smart M2M, that's where the specification took place in ETSI for smart appliances, is linked to the smart appliances to provide this communication framework. So one M2M is really the communication framework for smart appliances.
Okay, Enrico, thanks for clarifying for us.
Thank you very much.